In this video, we're on the wrong page here. I don't know how that happened. There we go. In this video, we're going to look at this problem on page 18 of the 6.4 slides. In this problem, the United Nations Security Council consists of 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. Decisions made by the Council require 9 votes for passage. However, any permanent member may veto a measure and thus block its passage. Assuming that there are no abstentions, in how many ways can a measure be passed if all 15 members of the Council vote? All right, so coming back over here, if a measure is to be passed, then all 5 permanent members must vote for passage of that measure. So this can be done in C5.5, the number of combinations of 5 people taken 5 at a time equals 1 way. Next, observe that since 9 votes are required for passage of a measure, at least 4 of the 10 non-permanent members must also vote for its passage. To determine the number of ways in which this can be done, notice that there are C of 10(4), or the number of combinations of 10 items taken 4 at a time, ways in which exactly 4 of the non-permanent members can vote for passage of a measure. And C, C of 10(5), the number of ways that exactly 5 of them can vote for passage of the measure, and so on. Finally, there are C 10(10), the number of ways that all 10 of them can vote, in which all 10 non-permanent members can vote for passage of the measure. So we have C 10(4) times C 10(5) times C 10(6) times C 10(7) times C 10(8) times C 10(9) times C 10(10), because we were running out of space there. And we're going to multiply all of that by C5.5, but that's just 1 anyway. And this is also 1 right here. Okay, so that becomes 1 times 10 factorial over 4 factorial times 6 factorial times 10 factorial over 5 factorial times 5 factorial times 10 factorial over 6 factorial times 4 factorial times 10 factorial over 7 factorial times 3 factorial times 10 factorial over 8 factorial times 2 factorial times 10 factorial over 9 factorial times 1 factorial times 1. Okay, well then, that is 1 times 210. Oh, this is plus, not times. Sorry. There we go. That makes a big difference. 210 plus 252 plus 210 plus 120 plus 45 plus 10 plus 1 for a total of 848 ways in which the measure can be passed. All right, that is it for this slide and this section. If you have any questions, please get in touch.